Yo, YouTube, it's your boy, Jared, the only one, back with another video. Yes, sir, today, man. So, I'm from Cincinnati area, you know what I'm saying? Talking about these Jordan 1s, Rebellionare, my bad, I'm over stuttering. But, so I'm from Cincinnati area, and in case y'all didn't know, my store that I'm from is corporate. They're getting the shoes, right? Doing special things, you know what I'm saying? Popping up different locations with the truck, with the X. I'm gonna show you all that. I'm gonna basically show you this journey. Today is Wednesday, and I'm going to it's a workshop tomorrow. I got some tickets for. I'm gonna show y'all that type of stuff. It's a lot of information that I'm gonna show you guys along this journey. So today's Wednesday, but they're releasing the shoes on Saturday, I believe. But hey, it's dope, man. I got a wristband to get the shoes, all that good stuff, man. So it's gonna be a dope experience for sure, man. But definitely gonna bring y'all along this journey, man. Definitely excited to bring content, some different type of content, so y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to corporate, my boy Peyton, all that good stuff, man. And also my boy Matt as well. So I'm gonna show y'all, man. They at University of Cincinnati right now. So I'm like what, 4 or 5 minutes from the actual location, because they doing little pop-ups with the truck. So gonna be pulling up over there. I'm gonna show y'all the truck with the X on the back, all that good stuff, man. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Let's get into the video, baby.
I am the ball in my court, so I cram on fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
All right, man, I'm back in the car, man. I'm sorry, I didn't take a picture in the truck, man. I'm sorry about that one, man. But it's all good, though. Like I said, I'm going over there on Thursday, which is tomorrow. And hopefully I get a good picture. And actually, it's like a workshop. You know what I'm saying? They did a little detail in a little space they did, man. So I'm going to show you all that tomorrow. But it's like a quick little video, like a shorts a little bit, you know what I'm saying? A little other, the things to come, basically. Got a wristband. So the wristband's basically, because it's gonna be first come first serve on Saturday, but the wristband is basically like a little, like you skipping the line basically to get the shoe on Saturday. But the shoe supposed to come out on the 18th, but they releasing them here in Cincinnati at the corporate store this Saturday, which is the 12th. So hey, we gonna see, man. We gonna see. And the shoe is fire, man. You know what I'm saying? My boy Matt had them on. The shoe was super fire. I definitely gonna keep a personal pair for sure, man. You know, people are trying to sell them, but I'm gonna keep my pair. I'll make my boy Matt sign the box and all that good stuff. It's gonna be a great day on Saturday. But tomorrow, like I said, I'm gonna come with some content for, like I said, the workshop. Have a little bit more information, you know what I'm saying, when I get there tomorrow. It's like I bought a ticket, and then it was basically free. The ticket was free, and then, like I said, I bought a ticket, and it's the time. I think I got early in the morning. It's like times like 10 to 12. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be recording, getting a lot of information for you guys. So be on the lookout for that, man. But hey, man, I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Hey, these Rebellionaires, hey, these definitely gonna be a problem, because a lot of stores ain't getting them. Like I said, only like 6 stores getting them. And luckily I'm one of them stores from Cincinnati, corporate store, getting them. So hey, let's get to it, man. Roll to that 5K. Make sure you follow me on all my platforms down below, man. Let's get to it. Joe is out. Peace.